In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a domain to Shopify. Begin by logging into your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, click on Settings, located at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Then, from the Settings menu, select Domains. On the Main Domains page, you'll see several options available. If you want to change to a new default Shopify domain, click the option to update your myshopify.com domain. Enter the desired prefix for your domain, which will still end in myshopify.com, and then click Add Domain to finalize it. However, if you want to remove the Shopify subdomain entirely and use a custom domain, you have two options. You can either connect a domain you already own or purchase a new one directly through Shopify. If you choose to connect an existing domain, you'll be prompted to type in your domain name. Click Next, and Shopify will identify the domain's provider. From there, you can log into your account with that provider to verify and connect the domain. If you don't already have a domain, click on Buy New Domain. Shopify will show you available domain names based on your store name, along with their annual pricing. You can also type any custom keyword into the search bar to view related domain suggestions. Once you find the domain you like, click Buy, and then click Buy Domain again to confirm the purchase. And that's how you can connect a domain to Shopify.